Standard 6, Subject English, Unit 1.6, The Peacock and the Crane. Once there was a beautiful and conceited peacock in the woods. Wow, peacock! Your feathers are so beautiful, colorful and shiny. Aren't they gorgeous? Yes, they are. I wish I could have colorful feathers just like you. Only I, the peacock, can have these beautiful feathers. Don't even dream about it. What a show off! The peacock went to the riverside for some water. Who is that? A long neck and cool legs? Looks quite elegant, but I don't like the feathers though. Hi, who are you? I've never seen you around. I am a crane. A crane? Ah, I am a peacock. I have feathers that are shiny and gorgeous. Oh, right, they look good. The crane walked along the river. She wasn't even surprised. Look at all these colors of rainbow on my feather. What's wrong with yours? They look grey and dusty. Yes, you are very beautiful. But I don't envy you at all. What? Don't lie. How could you not envy these beautiful feathers? The crane said, I can fly high up in the sky with my wings. I travel around the world and go wherever I want. Oh, I see. What can you do with those feathers? Grooming and showing off? What else can you do? It seems you look good on the outside, but not inside. The peacock felt so ashamed. He folded his feathers. All the other birds began to laugh. Children, we already listened to the story, The Peacock and the Crane. Let's get to know the summary of this story. Here in this story, the conceited peacock, the proud peacock, scoffed at the colorless and dull feathers of the crane. Scoffed at, we know that the peacock laughed at the colorless and dull feathers of the crane. And it boasted about its colorful, gorgeous and shiny feathers. Gorgeous is beautiful or magnificent feathers, and said that it was dressed like a king. The crane was not at all envious of the peacock and agreed that it had beautiful feathers. The crane was not at all envious. Envious means jealous. It was not jealous of the peacock at all and agreed that it had beautiful feathers. But what could it do with its feathers? The crane questioned the peacock. The crane then went flying high up in the sky among the clouds and the stars and said that it could see the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while the peacock lived down there just like any other cock. And we know that the peacock felt very, very ashamed. We've seen it in the story. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. This is a proverb. What is the meaning of this proverb or this saying? It is used in a negative sense to indicate that looks or flashy clothes may not be very important after all. Let's go through the meanings of the difficult words in this story, The Peacock and the Crane. Conceited means very proud, vain or arrogant. Gorgeous means beautiful, magnificent or stunning. Scoffed at means laughed at rudely and scornfully. The meaning of the proverb, fine feathers don't make fine birds, it is used in the negative sense to indicate that looks or flashy clothes may not be very important after all. Homework to be done. Complete the exercise given at the end of the lesson. The first one, read the following sentences carefully and choose the correct meaning. Second, list 5 adjectives and 5 nouns from the story. Third, make a collection of 20 proverbs or sayings. Fourth, write the meanings of the difficult words.